Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day wine glass using mostly Dollar Tree products. I'm going to show you by demonstrating doing a matching shot glass, which I also picked up at the Dollar Tree. They're the dessert glasses. I believe they're 3 in a pack. So that's a great bargain. And I also did get the wine glass from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned, and we're going to start by prepping the glass, which I also used all Dollar Tree products. The contact paper was the heart. I just hand drew a couple of hearts until I got the one I liked, and then the size I liked, and I basically put it on a wine glass. And the wire tape I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just wanted to do more lines. So those are going to be my edges. And right here, I'm just, sorry I'm out of frame, guys. I'm just putting the Mod Podge on, just trying to right now get lines so where I know where to put my rhinestones at and how far over to go. So basically, I'm just getting my lines together. So, and right here, I'm just going to put my glitter on. And if you continue to watch in the video, you will see that I didn't take my tape off in time. So I had a little issues here and there trying to get my Mod Podge to stay on. So first rule of thumb when dealing with Mod Podge, if you're dealing with glitter and tape, remove the tape after Mod Podging, and the glitter, remove the tape before that Mod Podge dries. You will see later on the reason why. So this is like maybe 20 minutes later when I should have took it off 10 minutes ago because it's a very thin coat of Mod Podge. I was basically trying to establish my lines and where my rhinestones were going to go. So I'm just making little marks on the top and the bottom where there are not going to be any lines. I just wanted to get like the heart in there. So I'm just tracing the top of the heart where there's no lines, and you'll see me go inside the glass because this is an erasable marker, which also came from the Dollar Tree. So I basically did it on the inside so I could better handle the glass on the outside, because as soon as you touch that marker, it comes up. So that helped me a lot. And right here, as I said, I should have removed it maybe 5 or 10 minutes later. This is like a whole 20 minutes later, and this is a very thin coat of Mod Podge, so it dried really quick. So if this happens, try to take something sharp. Like I'm using these tweezers right here, which they have a sharp end. Dollar Tree does sell, I believe they sell X-Acto knives. They have the razor blades. Just advise, please be careful. So I'm using E6000 because I'm about to place my rhinestones on the glass, and the first thing I'm going to work on is the heart because the lines are easier. I do watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I watch a lot of rhinestone videos, and most of the time they tell me start in your areas where it's going to be hard at. So that's why I wanted to start at the round. Even though I had the lines, I just wanted to start at the round side, and then work my way in. So I do apologize. I am out of focus, but I do skip along, just in showing you just the placement of how I do my E6000. But I have listed in my description box, you can use Fix All is equivalent at the Dollar Tree. You might have to just give that a little bit more time to set and maybe use a lot less of it. It takes Fix All a little more time to set than E6000. Okay, guys, that's how I do my rhinestones. I just place them, put a little E6000 down, and some rhinestones, and then again. And this is some of the work I did when I first started a couple of years back. I had no Cricut, just a couple of decals, and once again I used shapes. I cut things out I needed and just went for it. Those are some customers like their favorite color in their wine glass and in their wine bottles to match. So that was some of my customers, their color schemes. So now I'm just ready to finish with this wine glass. Only thing that's left to do is put basically the borders, that's what I call it, on the back. And this wine glass will be finished. And this set is going out to a loyal customer. And always remember to, when you clean up, try to use, I use some of everything. I use alcohol, I use acetone. When you're doing something, when you're exposing the glass, and you want to make sure it's like nice and neat, because I did take pictures of my glass, and I know I have to clean it up. So, because I know it's going to a customer, so I knew I was going to clean it up. I just wanted to get the shots before I actually gave it to the customer, and I wanted to present it on YouTube. So always definitely. And sometimes I use an X-Acto knife too. Got to be careful with the glue and make sure it's set, because sometimes when you raise the glue up, you'll raise the whole rhinestone up, and it'll be a whole row of it depending on how you laid the glue. So that's another tip too when using E6000. And that is a katana I got from Amazon. Those are about like $6 or $7, which works great. So some things were in frame. And that is the finished look, guys. I love it. I love the bling. And here it is together. Thanks for watching. I will try to bring more videos. Please like and subscribe.